At Premium Clean, we understand the importance of maintaining clean, safe, and attractive hard floors across various business environments. Whether it's a bustling gym, a busy childcare center, or a pristine hospital, the state of your floors leaves a lasting impression on everyone who walks through your doors. Hard floors are not all the same, and neither are their cleaning needs. From tile and grout to vinyl, concrete, and wood, each floor type requires a unique approach to keep it looking its best. Let's take a closer look at the different types of hard floor cleaning services we offer at Premium Clean. Buffing. Ideal for routine maintenance, buffing smooths the surface and removes minor scratches and scuffs, restoring the floor's shine. It's perfect for regular upkeep in high-traffic areas. Polishing. For floors that need a deeper shine, polishing involves using finer abrasives to achieve a high-gloss, mirror-like finish. This service is excellent for commercial spaces where a spotless appearance is crucial. Stripping and polishing. When your floors show signs of significant wear or have a buildup of old wax or sealant, stripping removes the old layers, followed by a fresh application of polish. This process restores your floor to its original condition, making it look brand new. Our trained ISCRC professionals use highly equipped tools and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to deliver exceptional results. We tailor our services to your floor type, ensuring the best care and maintenance without compromising the environment or safety. At Premium Clean, we understand the importance of maintaining a clean and polished appearance for your business. Whether you're running a gym, a childcare center, a hospital, or any commercial space, the condition of your hard floors reflects directly on your brand. But keeping those floors spotless and shining isn't just about aesthetics. It's about safety, hygiene, and durability. Our hard floor cleaning services are designed to cater to all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, linoleum, hardwood, and more. Here's a quick look at the various types of cleaning we offer. Buffing is ideal for maintaining a floor's shine between deep cleanings. It removes light scuffs and surface dirt, leaving your floors with a brilliant gloss. Polishing goes a step further by using fine abrasives to create a smooth, reflective surface that resists dirt and grime. For floors that have lost their luster or show signs of wear, our stripping and polishing service removes old finishes, then applies a new protective layer, restoring your floors to like-new condition. Our process is thorough and tailored to each floor type. We start with a detailed inspection to assess the floor's condition and determine the best approach. Next, we use professional-grade equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to deep clean, removing embedded dirt, stains, and bacteria. Finally, we apply the appropriate finish, whether it's buffing for a quick refresh or stripping and polishing for a complete renewal. At Premium Clean, we go beyond just cleaning. We help you protect your investment. Regular professional cleaning enhances the appearance of your floors and extends their lifespan, saving you money in the long run. From offices and restaurants to schools and medical facilities, any business with hard floors can benefit from our expert special cleaning services. We work around your schedule to minimize disruptions, so you can focus on what matters most, your business. Ready to elevate the look of your floors? Contact Premium Clean today and discover how our hard floor cleaning services can make a difference in your space. Trust us to keep your floors shining bright. Premium Clean, bringing brilliance to your business, one floor at a time.